I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking like this. I don't think I can wait. I just need it.
Hey everybody, welcome to this week's vlog. Today is the 1st of July. So your girl is going out. As you can see, y'all see my fit. Ooh. So the hat is from Shein. I'm loving this hat, like y'all don't even know. But so I am headed to a baseball game and a little bit of, you know, bar hopping or whatever. You know, a little bit of bar hopping. Because your girl needs to get out. Because I've been cooped up in the house. Feel like I haven't gone anywhere in over a year. Like, summer's here and your girl hasn't been hitting nothing. Like, what is that about? But we going out somewhere. See, listen, I don't want to say babe, but you know how us girls do. Like, you know, one minute you don't fuck with him and then the next minute you fucking with him. Like, okay. So I gotta go get him real quick so we can hop into his car so that we can drive, so I can be a passenger princess. And I'll see you guys when we're on our way.
Dirty South, ain't got really feel us. East Coast feel us. West Coast feel us. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Ain't got really feel, baby girl. East Coast feel West Coast feel. Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty. Ain't got really feel it. East Coast feel. Say what? West Coast feel. Dirty South, dirty. Ain't got really feel. I got figure. East Coast feel. West.
Looking for the cash, searching for the bag. Young nigga wildin', throwing up flag. Shooters on the roof with a scope. Money make gon' treat you like the Pope. Work the bunch like the Kimmy in the post. Nigga hit it with the folk. Running on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't wanna rap, be quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. That's the niggas that you trust, you tell them probably turn fade. Hey, you know your boy, cause you rockin' Birdman. Especially if your money long, guarantee it turn in. Ray, until it all, gotta watch the shirt. Hey, jealousy, that's a bitch.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like months. Life go fast when you know what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. But what do you want? I don't know. My dude's not like Tyler Perry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fine like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Baby, I don't know myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sipping the mirror, I'll up myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like months. Life go fast when you know what you want. At this time, go what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna
everybody. Right now I am headed to Sephora. I was trying a new foundation because I've been using the same foundation for so long, and my foundation is pretty much over. Like, it's almost done. So I wanted to try a new foundation because I felt like, okay, if I can get a new foundation, then I'll try something new, blah blah blah. Because I'm not that girl who gets a whole bunch of foundations and then you look in their drawer like they got foundation on top of foundation on top of foundation. Like, I'm not that girl. Like, I'll try one, use it, like it, okay, cool, on to the next after it's damn near finished, right? So I tried the YSL foundation. It was only $10 more than my normal foundation, so I was like, okay, cool, let me just try it, see what it's gonna do. Loving, okay, love it. But what I have noticed is that it I think it oxidizes. Once I've had it on, I think it oxidizes just a little bit, because when I first apply it and it's on, it looks perfect, right? But it was like once I had it on for like a good 10 minutes, like I didn't even finish highlighting. Before I could finish highlighting, it was like it had started to like oxidize, and it oxidized really quickly, which I can definitely appreciate because it lets me know like, okay, this foundation, I'll know what's going on with it and I don't gotta wait like days or all these hours to see. So I was like, so I went home, tried it. I was like, oh, like I was like, yes, and it's matte too. I was like, okay, cool. By the time I got to highlighting and getting ready to contour, I looked in my mirror, I'm like, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Something does not look right. Like, it looks crazy. Girl, I was looking like burnt toast, okay? It was so dark. like it looked so dark, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like what in the hell? So, y'all, I gotta tell y'all something. These baristas be getting on my goddamn nerves, I swear. Like, oh, I'm about to tell y'all in a minute because they coming. Y'all, y'all see all these damn drinks? Fucking crazy. Y'all. Oh, y'all should see these damn drinks. Oh my gosh, they all look good as hell. Let me take a picture from my, take a picture real quick of my shit. But get me one for the that thing. Which one's mine? This is mine. My vanilla latte. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. So lately I have this new Starbucks that I go to, right? Well, let me not say it's new. It's not new. It's just, it's not a new Starbucks. What it is I always go to like 4 specific Starbucks, right? And what ended up happening was this specific one, after a certain time, it's kind of like they bring a whole bunch of kids in there, and what ends up happening is they bring the kids, and then like there's just one thing I really hate. I'm not gonna lie. Like, there's something I really hate. Like, when you're placing your order, and when you place your order, you're telling them what you need, and you're thinking about it in your head like, damn, do I want that for real, or do da-da-da? And they'll sit there and they'll ask, anything else? Anything else? Anything? I'm like, I'm telling you what the hell I want. Give me a second. Like, they just be so like, oh my gosh, I got some extra ice in this. Oh my God. Like, they be asking you, anything else? Anything else? I can't even be that mad. They actually made this really good. My thing is, it's kind of like, I'm asking y'all, like, you know, I'm telling y'all what I want. Like, I just like I wish I was recording when I made this damn order, because I said, oh, can I get a grande iced vanilla, anything else? Oh, I said, well, can I add a vanilla sweet cream foam on top with anything else? Like, girl, I'm trying to tell you what I need. Stop asking me what else. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Like, this is why when I go to these freaking places, I always say, hey, I got 3 drinks and I'm gonna read them to you. Are you ready? Because when I go slow, they anything else? Anything else? But then when I be going fast and I have my drinks like lined up, like I'll be like, I'll sit here and say, hey, I need this. Oh, hold on 1 second. How many did you need? Like, you ain't asking me if I want anything else then, huh? Because you too busy trying to catch up. Ho? Because the thing is, I'm somebody who's normally ready, but if I'm dealing with my, my stepdaughter and she's telling me what she want and whatever, and I'm reading it to you what she want, or maybe like he tell me what it is that he want, like, you gotta just be cool with what the heck is going on. That's all. The hell? And here he go pulling up. So now you're recording. Come on.
Hey y'all, so we finna go to the beauty market, get some things, And we leaving the store, what I say? Candy dollar. Yup. And the beauty A little pic for the Instagram. Hold on.
So we have to go get some more. Last freaking minute. Last minute, baby. Last minute. Let's hurry up and go get it real quick. Hershey's. Don't you need more than that? Two. Honey made. Regular honey? Or should we do that? Oh, there's cinnamon too. Get a different one. One is good? Grab another one, just in case. I'll take it. The top or something. Two. That's it. And we gotta grab a Sprite right here too, right? Huh.
Welcome value customer.
Go ahead.
Item in bag or cart. Then scan next item.
Got it.
If you have your sharpest card, scan it now. Place your item in the bagging area. Help is on the way.
Stop playing. No, not for real.
No way. Hey,
Shit.